Every great achievement starts with a single step. You have the power to change your life, but it begins with believing in yourself. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace your challenges. They are the building blocks of your future success. When you feel like giving up, think about why you started. Your dreams are worth fighting for. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out those who lift you up and inspire you. Together you can create a ripple effect of motivation and support. The journey may be tough, but it will shape you into who you are meant to be. Stay focused on your goals. Break them down into small, manageable steps, and celebrate each victory along the way. Consistency is the key. It's about making progress, not perfection. Believe in the power of your dreams. You are capable of extraordinary things. The only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. So, dream big, work hard, and never stop pushing forward.